again. So I'm gonna be showing you how to get the first Esper because I didn't show you that. So I'm gonna do it. It's Siren. It's a what? I never seen this. Hold on. Never seen this. I don't know what's wrong with it. Hold on. Let me just try again. Something's happening. Increase your capacity. Recruit. Oh, okay. I'll just add. What am I doing? Okay. Hold on. This is just gonna take some time. Skip the video. Crap. I have too many, I think. I do have a lot. So how are you supposed to... Okay, sell. Gotta sell a crap ton. I useless stuff like this guy. This. And this. This woman. This guy. This woman. This woman. This guy, woman. Not a woman. I'm not being sexist or anything, am I? A lot of women. I'm not gonna get much. Gil. I still don't know how to pronounce that. This one. And this one, and this one, and this one. There's still a lot of crap, actually. Yeah, you know, I think that's enough. I'll sell all that. Yes. I don't need any of that crap anymore. Okay. Now that you skipped the video, hopefully, or just watch me do all that. So this is one of the first ones, so you'll probably still be in the Grand Salt Isles. You should do this, so once you clear Danakya Cavern, no, or is it Town Mitra? I don't know, I'm bad at pronouncing these things. After you clear either the cavern or the town, you're gonna go to this tower. You complete 3 of these, the lower floors, the middle floor, the upper floor, then you go to the top floor. Next. This is fairly easy, so if you're just starting out, her Esper will actually be very OP, if you think about it, honestly. I think 5,000 damage or something, just skip this. This is a very easy battle. And she's dead already, I didn't even use all my things. Onion Knight. I want him. This is really boring, but basically, this is all you do. And I don't think I need to explain no further. That's how you get the Siren Esper.